Okay, let's start this roast beef Cheeto sandwich off. First thing we need to do is make the garlic parmesan mayonnaise. What you want is a cup of mayo, a teaspoon of pepper, about a half a teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of parmesan, about a half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and a quarter of a teaspoon of garlic powder. Give this a good mix and then let it chill out in a container in the fridge for at least 1 hour, maybe a little more. Okay, let's assemble our sandwich. First thing we want to do is add a layer of Gouda cheese. We want this because it's nice, it's creamy, it's delicious. Then add the roast beef. I just picked up some roast beef from my local deli. You could certainly, grab a fucking hunk of beef and cook it yourself, but I'm being lazy this time. Then add the Cheetos for that nice little crunch. You can use Flamin' Hot Cheetos. I just use some regular crunchy Cheetos. Don't use the puff ones, though. Those are gross. I don't know anyone that likes them. Then atop the Cheetos, add a nice little slice of cheddar cheese. Then add some nice bacon to your sandwich, because everything is better with bacon. And then top with a little bit more roast beef and pop into a 400-degree oven for about 5 minutes or so. And through the magic of cooking show editing, these sandwiches are done. Now, last thing we want to do, remember that garlic parmesan mayo we made at the beginning of this son of a bitch? Take a squeeze bottle and just squeeze a generous old amount on there. This is really to taste, up to you. And then, of course, just because you want a little refreshing crunch, some iceberg lettuce that you've chopped up. And that's it. Roast beef Cheeto sandwich. Done.